Friends, now let's start a new activity, activity 4.3, absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of a function. So our objective for this activity is to understand the concepts of absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of a function in a given closed interval through its graph. So students, now let's see the method of construction for this activity. First, take a drawing board and place it on a table. Step 2. Fix a graph paper on it with the help of board pins. Draw two perpendicular lines x dash OX and YO Y dash intersecting at point O. X dash OX is x-axis and YO Y dash is y-axis. Now graduate these axes. Let us consider a function fx equals to 3x cube plus 2x square minus 6. 3x cube plus 2x square minus 6x in the interval -2, 2. Take different values of x in the interval -2, 2 and find the corresponding values of x and find the corresponding values of fx. Plot these ordered pairs x, fx. So students, now let's see the demonstration for this activity. Some ordered pairs are given below in this table. That is, we have let the values of x and we have found out the values of function fx. So when x equals to -2, then fx is -4. When x is -1, then the value of fx is 5. Similarly, when x is 0, then fx is also 0. When x is 1, then the value of fx becomes -1. And at last, when x is 2, the value of fx is 20. And we have plotted these points and we have obtained a graph, as you can see here in the figure given below. So, by plotting these points, on the graph paper, and joining the points, we obtain a curve of the given function. So this is the curve that is obtained of the given function. So students, now let's see the observation for this activity. First, from the graph, we observe that the value of fx at x equals to 2 is 20, which is maximum in the interval -2, 2. From the graph, so our second observation is, from the graph we observe that the value of our function, that is fx, at x equals to -2 is -4, which is minimum in the interval -2, 2. So therefore, the absolute maximum value of fx is 20 at x equals to 2, and the absolute minimum value of fx is -4 at x equals to -2.